Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on a Nokia C12. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here on top let's find Notify Buddy. It's an app that allows us to get this custom LED lamp notifications. When it's ready, click on the open. Move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. And the last thing right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now you can begin using this app, and there's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and Settings. In User you can activate any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can do the same thing but with all system apps. In Active, there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or a color. Let's click on the test button to see the LED lamp. It should be right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.